Today, we're replacing the battery on a Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. Foldable phones are not as complicated as you might think. First, power the phone off. Since the back cover is already loose, we don't need to apply heat this time. Instead, we'll use isopropyl alcohol to soften the adhesive. There's already a large gap here, so we insert a thin plastic sheet and slowly cut around the edges. If you feel resistance, add more alcohol. Most of the adhesive is now separated. We use scissors to cut the visible glue. Disconnect this BTV connector. Now the back cover can be removed. Next, we remove the lower back cover. It comes off easily. This magnetic mat is great for holding screws. Now we start removing the screws. After removing this metal plate, we can disconnect these BTV connectors. Now we soften the battery adhesive with alcohol. Using a pry tool, the battery comes out easily. Next, we clean off all the old adhesive. This is the new upper battery. Now we reconnect all the BTV connectors. Let's reinstall the upper back cover first. This helps protect the camera from dust. Now let's move to the lower section. Remove these two screws. This is the wireless charging module. Next, remove the 5 screws at the bottom. There are 2 more screws on this small board. Once removed, we can take out the battery. Add some alcohol. And it comes out easily. Now we clean the leftover adhesive from the frame. Continue cleaning the adhesive from the back cover. After applying double-sided tape, we add a bit of B7000 glue. Same for the upper section. The repair is complete. Now let's power it on. Give the phone a quick clean. The screen lights up perfectly. Everything is working fine. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.